Welcome to Our Home to Yours, a cooking channel where extension professionals share some of their favorite health-promoting recipes. My name is Jalen Munson, and I'm a health educator with the Virginia Cooperative Extension, and I'm excited to share with you today a mashed sweet potato recipe that is not only healthy and delicious, but it's a great way to enjoy a locally grown produce. The first step in this recipe is to simply wash your sweet potatoes. And then you're going to place them in a bowl with a little bit of water to be able to cook them in the microwave. So I've done that, and then I'm going to just place them in the microwave for about 6 minutes, and I'll rotate them halfway through. Note that if your sweet potatoes are a little bit bigger, you will need to cook them a little bit longer than 6 minutes. After your sweet potatoes have finished cooking, all you need to do is simply slice them lengthwise so you're able to easily access the flesh. Scoop it out and place it in a bowl. After you have all your scoop fleshed out into the bowl, the only thing that's left is to add the rest of the ingredients. So I have here my butter, my pinch of salt because I'm definitely going to cut back on the salt, as well as a little bit of pepper to taste and the brown sugar and cinnamon. I'm going to simply add that in with the sweet potatoes and mix until combined.
Now that you have finished your recipe, all you need to do is serve it along with a lean protein and some roasted vegetables, and you have a complete meal. Enjoy it along with family and friends, and please join us again from our home to yours.